The right beard brush can be the ultimate game changer for how clean, preppy, and well-groomed you look. This handheld tool may seem insignificant but can make a huge difference in maintaining your facial hair and taking care of beard dandruff and split ends. You can grow a long and bushy beard and rock a cool style without worrying about your mane. It's important to remember that not all beard brushes or combs work the same way. Typically, most options are great for detangling and shaping your facial hair, but some will also help distribute the natural oils throughout to prevent beard itch, brittle hair, and split ends. Give your robust scruff a fuller yet neat look and use the most popular beard brush in 2023 for styling your beard into a shapely state. Check out this guide for the top products and information to help you get your hands on the best one. Number 1. Viking Revolution Beard Brush. This 4-piece set by Viking is a dream for all beard-keeping enthusiasts. It is an all-in-one product for maintaining and styling your beard. Both the brush and comb use high-quality and durable wood. The double-sided beard brush is made from pearwood and has coarse teeth to smoothen your tangled beard within minutes. You will find 100% natural boar hair in this brush with a pearwood handle. The bristles absorb oils, serums, or beard conditioners and evenly distribute the potions through your hair. Simultaneously, the handle offers a good grip and doesn't break off due to a slip or two. The beard styling products make the perfect present for your favorite bearded man, and come in a velvet travel pouch. The product tops our list for its versatility, experience, and overall results it offers. Number 2. Arkham Deluxe Beard Brush. This beard straightener is a stylish heated beard brush from the well-known brand Arkham. With this brush's rapid heating technology, you may save a great deal of hair styling time. It only takes 30 seconds to heat up. It offers dual functions as both a brush and a straightener. It also features excellent supporting technology, such as renowned ion technology and the 360-degree swivel cord, allowing the brush to be moved in any direction. The anti-scald design means that your beard won't burn. If you forget to turn it off, you don't have to worry because it turns off by itself after 30 minutes. Allows you to save a significant amount of time grooming and perfecting your beard with a single brush stroke. Our variable heat gauge and ion technology allows you to groom and tame any beard in a flash. This technology has been tested vigorously in every beard straightening brush. Number 3. 7 Potions Beard Brush. If you're a beard newbie, this is the best start-off beard brush for you. The brush features natural boar hair bristles. However, they are first cut and firmer yet still accommodating enough to easily brush through your beard no matter how thick it is. This brush does wonders for your beard by removing all kinds of tangles, dirt, dandruff, and even sebum with a few strokes, making your hair look smooth and neat. The natural bristles carry the natural oils of your skin and facial hair and keep your beard soft and healthy. No matter if you wash your beard, use the brush to get rid of beard dandruff and impurities. The pearwood body and the great backbone of boar bristles allow for excellent grip and outstanding performance. The oval-shaped body is made of pearwood. It provides excellent grip and is travel-sized. This brush results in healthy, strong, and soft facial hair. Number 4. BF Wood Beard Brush. It is a travel-friendly and portable military-style beard brush that uses 100% natural boar bristles that are soft on your skin and comfortable for untangling your beard. The bristles are medium-hard, which means they don't scratch the skin and you can use the brush to evenly apply mustache wax or balm. The indentations on the side of the brush allow stable grip, so you don't have to worry about the brush falling off while you're combing your beard. When using for the first couple of times, a few boar bristles may fall off. This is completely normal and is as a result of some floating bristles, all part of the manufacturing process. Its attractive packaging makes it an amazing gift for your husband, brother, boyfriend, or any male who's special in your life. Number 5. Zeus Beard Brush. With an ergonomic handle and 100% boar bristles, the Zeus Beard Brush stands out as a high-quality product that can last for a lifetime. The bristles have round tips, which are soft on the skin, and the backbone is medium stiff, which stays stiff when combing dense beards. The handle uses the highest quality European pearwood, which can withstand time. You can use this brush to evenly apply beard oil to enhance shine or repair dry hair. This brush is available in 2 types of firmness, so make sure you research when selecting which firmness level is suitable for you. Experience less fizziness with this beard brush. The ergonomic handle was created with European-sourced pearwood with 100% first-cut boar bristle hairs that features rounded tips that's gentle on your skin and a medium stiff backbone that won't splay against denser beards. The boar bristles on this brush evenly distribute the natural oils in your beard to repair dry hair and to enhance shine.